buy me this. Okay. Yeah, so as you can see, I finally did get my hands on the PlayStation Portal. And so far, I'm honestly pretty surprised at how much I like it. I mean, like, for the longest, I did think it was kind of useless just because it is a remote play device. You need Wi-Fi, and not only do you need Wi-Fi, you need good Wi-Fi. But, you know, me having pretty bad Wi-Fi was actually able to get a pretty decent session, as I'll show later. Yeah, like Sony over time just kept dropping more and more updates that made this device a lot more justifiable, at least for me. Everybody's different, you know. Here's the game catalog. I think they're gonna keep adding more games, but you have a pretty decent selection right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and load up Spider-Man Remastered. And as you can see, it does play pretty good. You know, something with remote play, that might be a bit of a different story, just because you have to have good upload speeds, which I do not, so that's why I'm not really showing it. But with cloud streaming, it's more so like, if you can stream Netflix or Hulu, more likely than not, you can stream some games pretty decently. Yeah, there's occasional hiccups here and there, but you know, you're not gonna really want to play competitive games on here. All these things I'm saying is just me speaking from my experience. You know, those who like to kick back and just play mainly single players, story games, or well, just single player games in general, it's perfect. Anyways, everybody will have a different experience. If you have really good Wi-Fi, good for you. You'll have an amazing experience. I actually do regret not getting this a bit sooner, because this thing actually did go up in price recently because of some questionable people in politics. But I'm sure you can find one refurbished on eBay or a used one on Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp for a pretty good price. This one here was bought from Best Buy and it was retail price at $250. But yeah, if you were thinking about grabbing this, I'd say most likely you won't regret it. I'm so far having a good time on it. Like I said, it's not for everybody, but if you want it, I'd say just give it a chance.